biggest disease which world is suffering from is obesity. Biggest business in the name of medicine if going on, that is anti-obesity. People don't remember when they eat, when they do mistakes, but later when things go wrong, then they want to reverse it. This is human nature. Same thing applies with obesity. The reason for obesity is not that it is genetic only. In some cases, genetic also. Some people have genetic tendency to put on weight, but they also have tendency, they also have to avoid some particular tendencies or some particular food habits and lifestyle. Now, thousands of years back, Ayurveda has given 4 reasons, 4 lifestyles or food habits which can cause person to get put on weight. Number 1, avyayama, the one who does not do physical exercise. Physical exercise is must if you want not to put on weight, the one who don't do physical exercise, avyayama. Means no, vyayama means exercise. Diva swapnaha, one who sleeps in day. Except few people, those who speak a lot or those who have lot of brain work, they can sleep for 30 minutes or something. But actually one should sleep in night, not in day. If one sleep in day, weight put on, nobody can stop. So, number 1, avyayama, no exercise. Diva swapna, diva means day, swapna means sleeping. You can, like a dreaming is like a sleep. So, day sleeping. Shleshmalahara, shleshmala ahara, food which is increasing, going to increase mucus. For example, lots of banana, lots of butter, lots of oil, lots of fried food. Again and again eating all fried heavy food, chips, all these junk food, they all comes under category of shleshmala ahara. And madhuro annarasaha, and eating too much of sweets. People, those who are craving for sweets, these people are definitely going to put on weight irrespective of whatsoever. Those who have an inborn tendency, they are going to put up fast. What is the solution? Solution is many. Of course, when you reverse these reasons, solution starts. Start doing exercise, don't sleep in the day, avoid mucus generating food like banana, milk, yogurt, heavy food like fried food, oily food, and food with lot of junk. Avoid sweets. But as a medicine, as I said to you, I have my limitations when I give you my audio visual knowledge shows. But most easy way what I can tell you and which can be told, that is triphala. 3 fruits of Ayurveda are a great medicine. Triphala, along with, you have to boil triphala actually. When it cool down, then you have to add honey. So, triphala along with honey. So, first take 1 glass of the water, boil it, put 1 teaspoon triphala, mix it, allow it to settle down. Once when it cool down, filter it, add 1 teaspoon honey and drink it every night before you go to sleep. This is going to burn your fat. Number 2, shiti bhutam tatho ushnambu medo hrit kshaudra samyutam. Kshaudra means, I am telling you meaning of this, is told in our Ayurveda books. Water which is boiled, not cold water, boiled water. Boil the water, and once when water get cooled down, add honey again in it. And then drink this water whole day. Means honey water is a great medicine, but not cold honey water, which is heated up once and then when it is cooled down, it becomes very lighter. And this water, when you add honey and you drink whole day 1 or 2 liters, and don't sleep in the day, do physical exercise, and don't eat fried food, junk food, yogurt, cheese and milk and all these things, sugar products, for sure you have all rights within 3 months to get your body shape. And body shape is very important. If one loses his body shape and become very obese, they lose even confidence. It is your right to keep yourself healthy. Moreover, obesity is an open door for all type of diseases. Hypertension happen, heart has to pump more blood, brain has lot of work, so it's not good for longevity of life. Please control your fat, remove your obesity by hot water honey, Triphala water honey, and avoiding day sleeping, avoiding eating food which is not good for you, like junk food, as I told before, milk and yogurt and cheese and fried food, and do exercise. Thank you.